Hello friends, in this video I will teach you how you can read PDF files using Java. So basically to read a PDF file we need one PDF jar. Basically the jar file we are going to use is PDF box jar. So you can use any version of PDF box jar, but for this video I am using this PDF box 2.0.3. You can download this PDF box 2.0.3. I have already downloaded this PDF box and I have put it here. So after that, what we do, we need to add this PDF box jar in our project. To add this in our project, we need to right click on the project, then go to properties, then go to Java build path. Then in the Java build path section you need to go to libraries. Then in the library section you have two options, module path or and class path. You have to be very sure that you have selected only class path. If you select module path and do the next step, then it will not work for you. And you have to make sure that you have selected class path. Then click on add external jars, then add these jars. Open, see, jar files are added, then apply and close. After that, we have done our first step to add jar files. The second step is to locate for PDF file. See, the PDF file we are going to use is this. It is a two-page PDF file. Basically, we will print all the data from this PDF file in console, and we will perform one operation also on this PDF file. So what we can do, we will copy this PDF file and we will put this PDF file here. Then we will create our class. We name it as read PDF. Here I will create a main method. Then we will create an object of file. Object of file is basically used to add the address of a particular file. So basically we are going to add the address location of this. To get the location, we will go right click on this file, then go to properties, then copy this location, then paste this location in double inverted commas. See, you can see that when I put double inverted comma, it automatically take two backslashes everywhere. You have to be make sure that if you are using backslash, then it should be two. If you are using forward slash, then you can use single. So basically make a habit of using backward slashes, and if you are using backward slashes it should be two. If it is one, then you can't use this backward slash. And now it is there is an error. We need to import this java.io file. See, if the PDF file is here, then we are adding this address. uh, if you want to add the address of this file, then you need to copy the address of this file. To get the address of this file, what you can do, uh, if we have opened it in Chrome, see, you can get the address from here also. You can paste that address here. Basically address should be start from C, and you have to make sure that you use double backward slashes. you can use single back if you are using forward slash, then you can use single forward slash also. So basically this is correct for now. So we can use both the things, either you can use and that location that I used earlier, or you can use that location also from C. After that, what we will do, we will create a object of PDF document, PD document, PD document. It is predefined object in a PDF box jar. See, I have created an object of PD document. We named it as document. Then I use PD document dot load, and I pass that file here. After that, we will create a object of PDF text stripper. Then we will create a one string in which we will store all the data of that PDF file. Now just see how I'm doing this. See, first I have created an object of PDF document in which I pass this file address. Then I have created a object of PDF text stripper. Then I have created a string, and then using this PDF stripper dot get text, and I pass this document here. Now this by using these 3-4 lines, you can now we have stored all the basically we have stored all this data uh, in a single string. If you want to see, let's print this data. You can see that it is start from in Sweden. See, in Sweden, and it ends on divided we fall. See, so by this way we can print all the data on a console.